Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. We have a lot of exciting dishes coming up that you won't want to miss. Today, I've got a super simple and delicious recipe for you, perfect grilled corn. This is one of those recipes that's so easy yet so satisfying. Trust me, you're going to love it. So let's get started. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this recipe is foolproof. First things first, here's what you'll need. 4 ears of fresh corn, husked. Make sure to pick the freshest corn you can find for the best results. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help in getting that perfect char and also add a nice flavor. 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is essential to bring out the natural sweetness of the corn. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. A little bit of spice to balance the sweetness. 1 teaspoon of paprika. This adds a smoky flavor and a bit of color. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Butter makes everything better, doesn't it? Chopped cilantro and lime wedges for garnish. These will add a burst of freshness and a zesty kick. All right, let's get grilling. Step 1. Prep your corn. This is a crucial step to ensure your corn grills perfectly. Start by brushing each ear of corn with olive oil. Be generous with the oil to ensure every kernel is coated. Make sure they're nice and coated. This will help them get that beautiful char on the grill. The oil also helps in preventing the corn from sticking to the grill. Next, sprinkle on your salt, pepper, and paprika. Don't be shy with the seasonings. They're what make the corn so flavorful. These simple seasonings will bring out the natural sweetness of the corn and give it a little kick. Yum! The combination of these spices is just perfect. Now, fire up your grill to medium-high heat. Make sure it's preheated well before you place the corn on it. Place the corn directly on the grill grates. You should hear a nice sizzle as the corn hits the grill. You're going to want to rotate the corn every couple of minutes to ensure it cooks evenly and gets that perfect char. Keep an eye on it to avoid burning. This should take about 10 minutes. You'll know it's done when the kernels are tender and have a nice char. While the corn is grilling, let's melt our butter. This will be the final touch that makes the corn irresistible. You can do this in the microwave. Just a quick 20 seconds should do the trick. Make sure it's fully melted. Once it's melted, set it aside. We'll use it in just a moment. All right, our corn is looking gorgeous. The char marks are perfect, and the aroma is mouth-watering. Time to take it off the grill and give it a final touch. Be careful, it's hot. Using a brush, generously coat each ear of corn with the melted butter. This is what's going to make it rich and irresistible. The butter seeps into the kernels, making each bite a delight. For the finishing touches, sprinkle some fresh chopped cilantro on top and serve with lime wedges. The cilantro adds a burst of freshness and the lime gives it a nice zesty kick. These garnishes take the corn to the next level. And there you have it, folks. Perfect grilled corn in just minutes. It's simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. This recipe is so easy and it's a total crowd pleaser. Everyone will be asking for seconds. Perfect for summer BBQs or a quick weeknight side. It pairs well with almost any main dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my favorites and I'm sure it will become one of yours too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy cooking. Enjoy your delicious grilled corn and see you in the next video.